What's good, everybody? It's Deric from Panther Magazine. Thanks for checking out the channel today. So recently, Panther Magazine was sponsored by AUXITO. AUXITO, global supplier for automotive LED lights. I got some bulbs here I'm gonna put in my headlights. I got a couple friends here at the meet that I hosted today. That's gonna help me put the bulbs in, and I'll show you guys later tonight what the bulbs look like. Let's put these bulbs in. So this is what the box looks like from AUXITO. Anybody interested in purchasing some bulbs? 9007/HB5 is the code for the Panther platform, if I'm not mistaken. Definitely my 2003 Grand Marquis. I'll put a link in the description on how to order these with a referral code. But let me show you guys here. Comes with some nice gloves, owner's manual, and these bulbs.
Yeah, for some reason this thing is like stuck in there.
So I have Wade the trucker here.
What's up?
Nate and Andrew helping me out with this.
In the hood.
2003 Mercury Grand Marquis. You have to remove the whole front end to get the headlight out.
How many more runs does it take to install a fucking headlights? Get a headlight out.
Quite a few, as you can see. Stuck in there.
Yeah, we're almost there, Derek. We're almost there.
So this side is just as tough as the other side.
Oh yeah, of course. It's actually a little tougher because there's no backside and the battery's right here, so extra stuff.
2003 Grand Marquis was
I probably shouldn't have pulled that.
the baby Marauder, so it's a little bit more advanced up in the front.
I'm making it harder than it has to be, right, guys? Yeah. I'm making it way harder than it has to be.
The grill has to come
My
out.
set of sockets. 411 or 476.
Big thank you to Andrew for being the hood.
The hood prop. I win.
We had
I had
to,
to shave that inside down.
What is that?
so on the 03 Grand Marquis, you have to take the grill off in order to get the headlights out.
All tone and pipe.
Yep. Okay, that explains it. Because look at this. Yeah. Take the adapter off, and it's not an adapter. From the old lights, and it is an adapter for the for the 9004 style. Yeah. I'm like, that doesn't. I did the same thing on my 95. Yeah. I just put these exact same bulbs on my 95, so I kind of know how this works. Just a little. Like I said, if body man can fix it, back to the fucking back to trying to put everything back. Yeah, back to now getting this light inside and not out.
And again, thank you to Andrew, the hood prop.
Thank you, Andrew, for being constant.
I should probably replace these.
What?
Yeah.
These here. I've seen you replace them on postcards. It's so
that
easy.
job.
Yeah.
$15 parts. Yeah.
All right, we got this one in.
Oh. Yeah, nice.
I saw somebody.
Turn your lights on.
So the bulbs are in. Big thank you to Nate, Wade the trucker, and Andrew for the help.
Oh, this has cable?
Can't really see that well during the day. But
At night you'll be able to really see it.
Yep, at night I'll be able to show you guys.
Just got happy yourself. I got the other one right here.
They want me to put some crazy exhaust on my car.
Grand Marquis, getting glass back.
Honestly, I have my 95. It's nice driving the car with headers, but it's nice getting in a nice quiet vehicle to take a nice little ride in every now and then.
Yeah.
It's overrated.
It is
and underrated.
overrated, yeah. But sometimes you want some
He's
noise.
gonna put these glass packs in your car.
Right on Deric,
Yep.
cherry bomb glass back.
Make it sound like a Marauder. Make it sound like something. That would be crazy.
That's what he had on his. He had glass backs for a while until I
You took them off?
Until I put him. I put Flowmaster in his car.
Oh, okay.
Downturn Flowmaster. Yeah, I was unaware you had to take the grill out of these cars.
Yeah, the 2003 is interesting.
Now I know. 03 Plus. I'll try to never buy one.
Because that was my Vic previously.
I know that was yours. Yeah.
And when I had headlights from another guy, I literally just took the bulbs out and put them in.
I know.
I didn't have to unscrew anything. Yeah. And then this, you had to take the entire grill off just to get the bulbs, just to get the headlights out. So.
Honestly, you're supposed to take the marker lights out too. We extremely forced the headlights out.
Yeah.
You're really supposed to take the side markers out too. But
We made it work.
yeah, whatever makes it so we can take less bolts and nuts out.
Yeah. It does look a little bit brighter than what was in there. I mean, even looking at him, yeah, even look at him in the day. It looks really bright. What's up, guys? So it's getting a little darker outside. The meet's over. I ran some errands. I'm in front of my office. I'm gonna show you guys what the bulbs look like, and let's see if they look brighter. I did get to see what they look like a couple hours ago when it was lighter outside, but it's getting darker. So I'm gonna turn them on and I'm gonna show you guys how bright they are. So these are how bright the headlight bulbs are that I've received from AUXITO. They're actually brighter than the LEDs I currently had in them. I mean, previously had in them. They're definitely brighter. I could clean my headlights. The assembly, I could clean it. But these are definitely brighter than the ones that I previously had. Like, definitely. I'm not sure if this video is doing justice for it, but they're pretty good. They're pretty bright. So, if you guys are interested, in purchasing a pair of AUXITO headlight bulbs, there will be a link in the description on how to purchase. Big thanks to AUXITO for the headlight bulbs. They look great on the car. They're brighter than the LED lights that I previously had in the car. And I'll see you guys in the next video.